Vijay Mallya, the king of good times. He was a man who was blessed with a lot, but he always wanted more. After the death of Vittal Mallya, United Breweries was taken over by his son Vijay. United Breweries was started in 1915. Although United Breweries was not founded by Vittal Mallya, United Breweries was started by Thomas Leishman. Later it was acquired by Vittal Mallya. Vittal Mallya died in 1983. After that, Vijay Mallya became the chairman of United Breweries. Vijay saw the potential in the liquor business and he began to focus on that only. At that time, liquor business was full of restrictions because of which he couldn't promote his business at a big scale. So to get a big place in the market, he began to promote his lifestyle. He was into parties, events, calendar shoots. Through that, he connected Kingfisher with a premium lifestyle which made Kingfisher a big name in the liquor market really quick. His liquor business reached heights. In 2005, United Breweries was second biggest liquor manufacturer in the world. After getting success in the liquor business, Mallya wanted to get into airlines business. So he gifted Kingfisher Airlines to his son on his 18th birthday. Kingfisher Airlines gave the best services to its travelers, because of which it became a success quickly. Soon it became India's second best airline. For Kingfisher Airlines, Mallya took many loans. Kingfisher Airlines wasn't making any profits at that time. Still, Mallya decided to purchase Air Deccan. In 2007, Mallya purchased Air Deccan for 1000 crores without considering the books of the loss-making Air Deccan. Vijay Mallya renamed Air Deccan to Kingfisher Red. Initially, the ticket price of Kingfisher Red was quite less, which attracted many travelers. But when Mallya decided to add on more services in Kingfisher Red, then its ticket price also began to rise. Now the situation was that both the airlines were not making profits. Also because of the heavy investments, Mallya was trapped in heavy debts. In 2008, crude oil prices hiked. Also, it was recession. Kingfisher Airlines was now witnessing heavy losses. Kingfisher Airline employees were not paid any amount for 7 months, because of which they stopped working and they went on strike. Kingfisher Airlines operations were closed. Also, wife of an employee who didn't got his salary committed suicide. But Mallya paid to none. Rather, on his 60th birthday, he gave a big party, invited international stars and celebrated his birthday in his Goa villa. Now Mallya owes 9,000 crores which he never paid after Kingfisher Airlines license was cancelled. In 2016, Vijay Mallya left India and now he is in Britain. Mallya owes 17 banks, out of which many banks gave him loans without any due diligence. Mallya never focused on profitability of his business but only on its expansion. He invested limitlessly in his airlines business. He should have known his limits.
But I believe you should know your limits and have the courage to say no.